Hi students, in today's lesson we will study how to solve the simultaneous equation. So this is the given example. So there are two equations in this. We need to find what is the value for x and what is the value for y. Okay, this is the aim of the equation. We have to find two separate values for x and y. Okay. Now, since there are two unknowns, it is difficult for us to find the values. Therefore, first step is try to eliminate either x or y by addition, subtraction or multiplication method. It is up to you. First, let us check, is there any way to eliminate x by addition or subtraction or multiplication? Is it possible to eliminate x? No, because if you add 4 and 3, you will get 7x. If you subtract 4 and 3, you will get 1x. Therefore, x is not going to eliminate. Let us check whether it is possible to eliminate y. When you add minus y to plus 2y, you will get plus y. When you subtract minus y with the minus 2y, you will get minus 3y. Again, y also not eliminating. So the only method remaining is by cross multiplication. So let us see how to cross multiply and eliminate the variables. Okay. So first step is you check what is the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient? The meaning of coefficient is the number which is present along with the x. Okay, so here the coefficient of x is 4. This 4 you have to multiply with the second equation. Understanding? The coefficient of the first equation must be multiplied with the second equation. And the second coefficient, the coefficient of the second equation, that is here coefficient equals to 3. That 3 we have to multiply with the first equation. So what is the step? The coefficient of the first one must be multiplied to the second equation. The coefficient of the second equation, that must be multiplied with the first equation. So let us multiply. 4 times 3 is 12x. And this is negative, therefore negative. 3 times y is 3y equals to 14 times 3 is 42. Next, 4 times 3 is again 12x plus 4 times 2 is 8y equals to 4 times 5 is 20. Put the line. Now students, see this first equation is modified into this form. Now you can see that 12x and 12x are common. So, is there any method so that we can make it 0? Yes. If you subtract 12 and minus 12 will become 0. So, let us go to subtraction. Subtraction method means you have to change the sign throughout. Now students, consider this one. What is the sign of 12x? No sign is given. No sign means it is considered as plus. So this plus 12x, when you change the sign, subtraction means changing the sign, it will become negative. Again check here, it is plus 8y. When you subtract, we need to change the sign. Here again, no sign means it is plus. So when you subtract, we need to change the sign. So everywhere we have changed the sign. Then when you are solving this, we have to consider the second sign. Okay, let us subtract. Here plus 12, you have to consider this sign now. That is negative 12 plus 12 and negative 12 will become 0. Negative 3. Negative 3, when you subtract negative 8, okay, negative and negative same sign means you have to add with the negative sign, negative 11. So this will become negative 11y. And here you have 42, you have to subtract 20. Okay, so when you subtract 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, and the bigger number is having positive sign, therefore you have to put the positive sign. Always remember the rule, when you subtract, always you have to consider the bigger numbers sign. So it will be 22. Clear? Therefore y equals to, on the right hand side you have 22 over, this will be negative 11. Okay, why it is negative 11? 11 times y. Here on the left hand side multiplication, when you take multiplication to the other side, it becomes division. Okay, multiplication when you take to the other side, it becomes division. So 22 divided by negative 11, answer is negative 2. Okay, so we got answer for y value is negative 2. So one solution we got for y is equal to negative 2. Now what is left? We don't know what is the value of x. So to find the value of x, you have to substitute this y value in any one of this equation. Okay, you can consider the first equation or you can consider the second equation. Substitute, you will get the answer. So let us check how to get the answer for x. So I am going to substitute for the first equation, that is 4x minus, our answer is y is equal to negative 2. So substitute, y value is negative 2, that is equals to 14. That is 4x, recall the rule, negative times negative. See, negative when you multiply negative, it will become positive. So negative times negative, it will become positive. Positive 2 equals to 14. Therefore 4x equals to, on the right hand side you have 14, left hand side you have plus 2. When you take a plus 2 to the other side of the equation, it will become negative. That is 4x equals to 14 minus 2 is 12. Therefore x is equal to 12 over 4, which is equals to 3. So what is the value of x? Is 3. Therefore finally let us consider the answer. We are getting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to negative 2. So these are the solutions for two unknowns. If you want to verify the answer, consider any one of the equation and substitute and check whether it is verified. Okay, let us verify. See, this is our first equation, 4x. Okay, what is the value of x? 3 minus, what is the value of y? Negative 2. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12, negative times negative is plus, and 2, which is equal to 14. See, look at this one, left hand side is equals to right hand side. If your answer is correct, left hand side must be balanced with the right hand side. Okay, or you can consider the second equation and verify. Again it will be verified. Left hand side will be equals to right hand side. Clear? Hope you understood, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and support for the more videos for mathematics and also for physics. Thank you. Enjoy your day.